if you really want to speak English, then you should follow these two strategies which I am going to tell you in my video. So please watch this video till the end. I used to follow these strategies when I was beginner. So I am going to tell you these strategies because these are very helpful, and I built my confidence within 30 days. So these strategies is practical, and I'm going to tell you, and if you follow these strategies, you will overcome the fear of speaking English in front of someone in just 30 days. Okay, the first strategy is to speak in your mobile phone cameras. So, if you have mobile phone in your hand, then you have no need to go anywhere. Then you have no need to buy expensive courses, and you have no need to go far away from your comfort space. So, if you really wanna, just start speaking in your mobile phone camera, just recording yourself. In this way, you will boost your confidence and overcome the shyness to speak in front of someone. Okay, the question is how we can practice on what topic. You have no need any topic. Just start record button and start speaking. Like, what are you doing? You are doing, if you are a housewife, then you should say, I am washing the dishes, I am doing the laundry, I am washing my face, and I am sitting, I am studying, I am reading, and all kind of stuff you can speak. And if you are a worker, then you can explain your profession, you can explain your type of duty. And if you are a student, then you can describe your teacher's personality and your friend circle activities. And you can that speak about your activities or routine, nothing anything else. You start, take small steps towards your destination, and if you do this continuously for 30 days, then you will see the better result at the end of the 30 days. I am sure, I'll guarantee you, if you do this on daily basis, you will get or enhance your desire confidence or speaking in English. Okay, if you have mobile phone, and the second thing is, if you have mobile phone, then it means you have a best coach, best English instructor in your access. Just search on YouTube about how to speak English and how to practice English and how to learn English vocabulary or grammar or tenses or all kind of things, and you will get on just one click. So start making notes from videos, from lessons, and start speaking on daily basis. Start with 1 minute. Just speak 1 minute, and with the passage of time, you should gradually increase this time span, and you will see you are fluent in English and you are speaking continuously in English 10 to 15 minutes easily. It's the difference you will see if you practice continuously till 30 days. Okay, it's a one strategy. I used this strategy when I was beginner, and I am fluent, and it's very helpful for me. And the second strategy is key strategy according to me. I'll suggest to you, it's a crucial if you really want to speak English and build your confidence, is speaking in front of mirror. Speaking in front of mirror is something incredible. Speaking in front of mirror is incredible. I gain 100% confidence in speaking English from this practice. And how I can improve? How I have improved this strategy? How I have improved my English speaking through this strategy. Let me tell you. Start speaking in front of mirror, because mirror is non-living object. It will not laugh at you. It will not make fun of you, or even it will not notice your mistakes while speaking. So you can speak freely without any hesitation. And if you speak in front of mirror, you will notice your mistakes, and you will notice your face gesture, face body movement, and hand. If you start speaking in front of mirror, you will notice your face gesture, you will notice your hand gestures, body movement, and face expressions. And it's very crucial to build confidence. And in mirror, first of all, in beginning, when you start speaking, you will see your face, and you will laugh, you will feel shy, you will feel nervous, because in our, you know that we ignore ourselves a long time, so it's very rare for us to face ourselves face to face. So then that time was embarrassing for us, because we are looking our appearance as a someone, and we feel very uncomfortable, our face expressions, our body language, and we feel awkward. But with the passage of time, you will use to this practice, so it will be easy for you. So start speaking in front of mirror, or start speaking in front of mobile phone. These two strategies will help you and will boost your confidence of speaking English on the next level. If you really want to speak English on the next level, then you should start speaking in front of mobile phone or in front of mirror. These two strategies are crucial to speak English confidently in someone, because I am suggesting you these two strategies through my experience. Okay, I hope you guys support me in this journey, and your support through subscription or comments give me motivation, and I'll keep my journey towards my destination. So today is day 5 of my 30-day English speaking challenge, and I hope I will upload my 6th video of this journey tomorrow with your support.